Online Learning Assessment Form. Page Setup. Proctoring. Proctoring is a tool that allows the graders to see their students during the assessment attempts through photos captured by the device. To enable proctoring, set up the online learning assessment form with your usual settings. Review the timing. Grade and attempts. Task behavior. And appearance. Under Extra Restriction on Attempts, go to Webcam Identity Validation. From the drop-down arrow, select Must be acknowledged before starting an attempt. This will allow your webcam to take photos of you, only during the assessment attempt. Continue with the rest of the setup, then click Save. Create the content of the online learning assessment form. Once you are done, click Save Form. Then go to the Edit settings in the left panel. Click the Grade drop-down. Update the grade to Pass to match with maximum grade. Review the activity completion. Make sure that Require Passing Grade is ticked. Then click Save. This is the student's view of the assessment. Click Attempt Assessment Now. A dialog box and a pop-up message will appear, both asking for your permission to use your device's camera. Depending on your browser settings, click Allow on the upper right corner of your screen. Make sure that you are captured fully in the camera. You will see a preview in the dialog box. Tick the Agree option, then Start Attempt. The student will now proceed to answering the assessment. The webcam will take screenshots of the student during this time. It will automatically stop once the attempt is finished or the assessment form is closed. This is the grader's view. To see the screenshots for proctoring, go to the Grade Reports. You will see the student's name and their attempt to be graded. One of the columns beside the student's name is the proctoring column. Click View Report to see the screenshots. You will see the images captured by the student's webcam. It will also show the date and time the images were captured. If the student took a longer time in finishing the assessment, this page will show you all the photos the system took during the assessment attempt. You have now proctored in the online learning assessment form.